Welcome to the second episode of Behind the Sessions at NZ Studios. Today is a special episode. We'll be talking about the team, the management, and what goes behind to make NZ Studios the best. So today we have a special member of the team, Mr. Vachaspati Mishra. Hello, sir.
Hello.
कैसे हैं sir आप?
Very good.
So you've been associated with NZ for a long time now. Please talk about this association, sir.
Association with NZ, it's been almost 20 years because I know Nishal since he was 6 years old. So I used to go at his place for the music classes and I was teaching him music, Indian classical music, basics and everything. But initially what happens, अगर कोई बच्चा म्यूजिक शुरू करता है तो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, इनिशियल एक इम्प्रेशन होता है कि क्लासिकल सीखना है, पेरेंट्स भी चाहते हैं बच्चा सीखे. आफ्टर 6 months आई रियलाइज दिस चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. तो धीरे धीरे सिलसिला चलता रहा और ये एसोसिएशन बढ़ता गया ऑलमोस्ट 5-6 साल, 7 साल, 8 साल, 9 साल.
Lovely. So please tell us about your musical life and your background, sir.
Basically, my music started from my family itself because my father is a musician. I started learning singing from my father.
अच्छा, क्या नाम है?
पंडित शशिभाल मिश्रा जी.
अच्छा.
बेसिकली एक ही इंसान के अंदर दोनों रूप मिलना मुश्किल होता है.
बिल्कुल.
और उनसे मुझे म्यूजिक की भी शिक्षा मिली. ही वॉज माई फादर एज वेल. बट जो उन्होंने म्यूजिकल मुझे एक सपोर्ट दिया, तो उसके लिए कई बच्चों को जिनके घर में फैमिली में म्यूजिक नहीं होता है, मुश्किल होता है. इनिशियल आई वॉज नॉट वेरी मच कंसर्न अबाउट द म्यूजिक. यस, धीरे धीरे उनके पुश से धीरे धीरे वो चीज आने लगी. नहीं, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज डिफरेंट, यू नीड टू डू इट. फिर धीरे माई जर्नी स्टार्टेड. Then I went Delhi University for my post graduation in Indian classical vocal itself.
अच्छा.
Apart from that, I started teaching in Delhi Public School as a music teacher.
Okay.
Yes, I was there, and I was teaching in a college also. I was playing piano. I was performing piano. I was performing singing. Yes, it's been so long.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So as this is behind the session,
Yes.
हमें आपके कुछ फेवरेट सेशन के बारे में बताइए, कोई भी एक.
Basically, all the sessions are favorite for me because as a studio manager, I see every client and everything in same manner.
Right.
But yes, as a part of a sound recording studio, you never think that some other people will come and suddenly one day Sachin Tendulkar came in.
क्या बात है.
And there was some project he came in and he's, I like him because I'm following him since my childhood.
पूरे country के.
Yes. And once he came and we have a beautiful piano on the reception area.
Right.
So he was there and my piano is so beautiful once, and I requested him personally, please can you sign on this.
क्या बात है.
When he signed on that piano became more precious for me.
Wow. So any other memories of any other recording session you would like to share?
When the first client was coming in, always you remember first thing which happens in your life.
Right.
And चाहे वो आपका पहला प्यार है, चाहे आपको पहली गाड़ी है, पहला घर है, तो हम सब लोग एक्साइटेड थे जिस दिन हमारी फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डिंग थी. वी ऑल वर वेटिंग एंड वी वर जस्ट ड्रीमिंग कि कैसे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और कैसा सेशन होगा और किस तरीके से माइकिंग करेंगे. क्या एवरीथिंग वेंट वेरी वेल. मतलब दैट वाज first thing which I personally felt like this is something very good.
So how do you strive to make NZ the best?
NZ studio, you can call it a studio, but NZ studio for us it's not a studio, it's like a temple.
Wow.
मेरे मानना है आप जहाँ पे काम करते हो पूरा इन्वॉल्व होके काम करो. अब जब आप इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो आपके लिए आपका कर्म ही पूजा बोलते हैं.
सही बात.
तो it's like a temple. And NZ has a capability to acquire at least 70 to 80 musicians we can record at once. पहली बात ये सबसे बड़ी फर्क ये है इसमें. दूसरी चीज ये है कि NZ has all the well equipped and we are, I would like to share it here, we are getting award in Palm Expo consecutive to last 2 years. Yes, we got best equipped studio in Mumbai.
In consecutive years.
Yes. And apart from this, those clients are coming here. Once they see the facility, the space, they feel like this is international working place. Building, it's a part. Acoustics, it's a part. Right. But you are working with the people. Those people are here. we make sure everybody is happy, everybody is doing their job. So basically, this is a one studio where you can fulfill your dream, you can breathe the positive environment and everything. Yes.
So, sir, अभी एक fan question पे जाते हैं.
Oh.
After the first episode, we received a lot of questions. तो उसके बाद हमने एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन पिक किया जो हमने सोचा आपके लिए will be suitable. So, ये important question है. हमारे ये लिखते हैं, Hi, my name is Sham. I'm from Kolkata. I practice Hindustani classical vocals at least 3 to 4 hours a day.
That's really nice.
But nowadays, people don't have that much time and they use autotune and Melodyne on their vocals. So, what are your thoughts on this?
Autotune, Melodyne, yes, these are the technical things which you can use.
Right.
But as a musician, if you say yourself you are a singer, so you should avoid all this stuff.
Oh.
Basically, if you are practicing 3 to 4 hours, and if you are a singer, if you want to sing in a studio, so try to avoid all this technical stuff. You record yourself. After that, you feel, because गाना आप गाओगे, गाना गाने में you cannot, with the technology, you cannot put in a feel.
Correct.
Feel comes with your practice,
Right.
with your रियाज. And अगर आप अपने आप को म्यूजिशियन कहते हो तो don't please avoid all this technical Melodyne and auto-tune, whatever else.
Melodyne और autotune से सुर सही हो जाएंगे और feel तो
Feel नहीं आ सकती.
सही बात है, सही बात है. So, tell us something about Nishchal sir, his music, his passion, his composition, and आपका रोल उसमें क्या रहा?
Nishal's musical journey and his passion towards this and his involvement with the music, it's totally different. Because the child who was just 13, 14 years old, he composed a song during my classes.
Yeah.
I heard that song. It was like totally, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा यार क्या इस बच्चे को जिसका कोई फैमिली म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड नहीं है,
Right.
और जिसको मतलब एक म्यूजिक का इंटरेस्ट है, सडनली ही स्टार्टेड कंपोजिंग सॉन्ग. सपने बहुत लोग देखते हैं पर उसको साकार रूप देने की क्षमता सिर्फ कुछ लोगों में होती है, और जिनके इरादे बुलंद होते हैं वही लोग कर पाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और आज की डेट में एनजी का जो भी नाम हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ द टीम, बिकॉज ऑफ द रिकॉर्डिंग, बिकॉज ऑफ द इंजीनियर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ द निश्चल, बिकॉज वो अपनी चीजों को एकदम क्लियर रखते हैं. ही कैन सी कि आई वांट दिस थिंग पर्टिकुलर लाइक दिस ओनली, तो वो ऐसा ही चाहिए मुझे.
So, आपने निश्चल सर की कॉम्पोजिशन के बारे में बात करी, आपको अभी भी याद है क्या वो?
Yes, I remember. I can sing 2 lines. Oh, mere साथिया, oh, mere साथिया, तेरे बिन जिया नाही लागे, तेरे बिन जिया नाही लागे, कैसे जीऊं मैं बता, ओ मेरे साथिया. This is a composition which like 14 years old child is doing.
Amazing.
So it's something which is very, very, very amazing.
Loved it. So, we've added another segment to the behind the session at NZ Studios. That's called Rapid Fire Round. You all know about it. So are you ready for it? Great. So, tell me what comes to your mind when I say music.
Practice.
NZ.
Lovely studio.
Guru.
My father, Pandit Sashival Mishra.
क्या बात है. Wife.
Abhilasha.
Sonu Nigam.
Good singer.
Love.
Your work.
Brilliant. So, answer the following in one word, sir. Favorite singer? Quick,
Pandit
sir.
Jasraj ji.
Oh, lovely. Worst client?
No one.
Okay. Best teammate?
Mr. Madhavan.
Wow. Favorite food?
Dal chawal.
Great. Describe Nishchal sir in 3 words.
Passionate, focused, and smart.
Wow. Great. Yoga or adventure?
Yoga.
Lovely. Inspiration?
Inspiration. Music.
Wow, lovely. Melodyne or auto-tune?
Nothing.
Okay. Favorite mic?
Mojave.
Okay. Piano or tabla?
Both.
Great, sir. So, we've reached the end of the segment. Thank you for watching Behind the Sessions at NZ Studios, and I hope you all loved this video. If you have any question or suggestion, send them to contact@nzstudios.com and we'll make sure we answer them in the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you so much.